Hi everyone, so in this lecture we will discuss another example which is related to first shifting theorem. So here we will find the value of this Laplace transformation of e raised to 4t into sin square t. With the help of only two steps we can solve this example very easily. So step number 1 will be, that is step number 1 is apply Laplace on this second term, therefore Laplace of this sin square t is equal to, okay, we don't have any standard formula for this function. To convert this into linear form, we have a one formula, that is when we have a sin square t, then we can write it as a 1 minus cos 2t divided by 2. That is, we have converted this equation into linear form. Therefore now put this value in place of this sin square t. Therefore this equation becomes Laplace of this 1 minus cos 2t divided by 2, and this is possible because of this formula. Okay, now here observe one thing, that is 1 by 2 is a constant, therefore take this constant outside of the Laplace transformation, that is 1 by 2 Laplace on 1 minus cos 2t is equal to, now 1 by 2 is equal to, that is 1 by 2, apply this Laplace on first term, that is Laplace of 1, minus apply this Laplace on the second term, that is Laplace of this cos 2 into t. Okay, and we have already know that is take 1 by 2 as it is, and we have already know that Laplace of 1 is equal to how much, 1 by s, minus Laplace of cos 2t is equal to how much, cos s, that means s divided by s square plus 2 a is equal to how much, 2 square, that is 4. So we have obtained step number 1 and its value is this. So we denote this equation as equation number 1. This value is nothing but our phi of s. Now our step number 2 is, that is apply Laplace on total question, that is Laplace on e raised to 4t into sin square t. With the help of first shifting theorem, this can be written as, that is we have a e raised to something into some function f of t, then by using first shifting theorem we can write this as a phi of something s. Here we have a plus sign, then write its a opposite sign, that is a negative, and coefficient of t is a 4, that is a 4. Okay, so this is our equation number 2. Now with the help of equation number 1, that is we have already calculated above, that equation 1 is phi of s is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by s minus s divided by s square plus 4. So with the help of this equation number 1, when we have a s, then we can write this function as it is, that is this is our value. Now just to replace s by s minus 4, therefore this equation will give us value, that is 1 by 2, take it as it is, that is 1 by 2 into 1 by s will replaced by this value, that is 1 divided by this s minus 4, minus s will be replaced by this value, that is s minus 4 divided by s minus 4 its square plus this 4 as it is. So this is possible with the help of equation number 1. Just solve this little bit, that is 1 by 2 into this 1 divided by s minus 4 minus s minus 4, take it as it is, divide by this value will give us an answer, that is s square minus 4 into 2, that is 8s, plus 4 square, that is 16, 16 plus 4 is equal to how much, plus 20. So we have calculated this value. So this is the answer. Hence we have obtained the value of this Laplace transformation e raised to 4t into sin square t